Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban is vowing to fight charges of insider trading. Cuban is accused of using confidential information on a stock sale to avoid losing hundreds of thousands of dollars. Federal regulators filed a civil lawsuit in Dallas on Monday morning. By happy hour, sports fans were weighing in on the charge and what it could mean for the hometown basketball team, as well as Cuban's push for another sports franchise.
I know he's trying to get the Cubs, and that probably hurt his chances. I mean, especially if he's just having that type of atmosphere around him, or that type of stigma associated with him, would probably hurt his chances of getting the Chicago team. But I don't think it reflects on the Mavericks.
I'm a Cuban fan, and hopefully it's not true, because I'd love to see him take over the Cubs franchise.
The Securities and Exchange Commission says 4 years ago the multi-billionaire was invited to get in on an upcoming stock option by Mama.com, an internet search engine. According to court documents, Cuban agreed to keep information about the stock sale private. The SEC says Cuban had his broker dump 600,000 shares when he found out Mama's stock would be sold below the market price on the first day of trading. Federal officials say using that inside knowledge helped Cuban avoid a $750,000 hit to his personal finances.
If it's true, it's going to go down the same route as Martha Stewart, and it deserves to go, but I hope it's not true.
Cuban says the SEC charges are false and he plans to fight them. Cuban is probably the most high-profile person to be accused of illegal insider trading by the SEC since Martha Stewart. The domestic diva served jail time, paid about $195,000, and agreed not to serve as the director of a public company for 5 years under a 2006 settlement with federal regulators. John Klobuchar, The Associated Press.